A basketball team contains 23 players. If 5 people can be on the court at one time, how many different groups can be selected to be on the court? So first we want to ask ourselves, are we choosing from multiple groups of items or from a single group of items? In this case, we have a single group of items. We have one basketball team that we're picking from. And from that team, we're picking multiple items out. So whenever you're picking multiple items from a single group, that means you either have a combination or a permutation. Now, to decide that, we have to decide if order matters. Because if order matters, then it's a permutation. If order does not matter, then it's a combination. Now, thinking about a basketball team, there certainly are different positions that you can play while on the court. So those 5 players could be in different positions. But I think that's making this particular problem more complex than what we need. Because of the 23 players, each of those 23 players could potentially play specific positions that they're best at. But we're not really told any of that information. So I think the best that we can do in this case is use a combination. Just assume that every player can do each job. So a combination using the calculator takes 2 inputs, N and R. N is the number of items in the group. It's always going to be greater than or equal to R, so you always know which one should go where because it's the bigger number first. And R is the number of items that we're choosing out of that group at one time. So in the calculator, it will look like 23, C5. And there is a formula that you can use to come up with this answer, but if you have your calculator, let's let it come up with that for us. And it comes up with 33,649.